Happy Prime Day, everyone. This is Philip with iRobot, and today we're covering the Roomba i7 Plus. First, we'll take a look at what comes inside the box, then show you why this robot is so great, and then we'll wrap up and get you out of here. We got the Roomba itself, we've got the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, 2 dirt disposal bags, 1 extra filter, and 1 extra edge sweeping brush. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, our tangle-free rubber brushes, and specially designed edge brush, powered with our 10 times the suction power over our 600 series model, is going to allow this Roomba to pick up dirt and debris on all floor types. Plus, anything over 4 inches, and Roomba can get underneath. So think under the table, entertainment center, or even under your bed. Now you might be thinking, when was the last time I actually vacuumed in those places? Well, what would normally be a problem with other robotic vacuum brands is no problem for the Roomba i7 Plus because it has our patented dirt detect technology. When Roomba senses a lot of dirt in one area, like under the bed, Roomba is going to stop what it's doing and focus on that area till it's clean. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. You can choose exactly when and where you want Roomba i7 Plus to clean your home with our imprint smart mapping. Imagine all the times you drop some chips on the floor while watching TV. Chances are you didn't vacuum the entire living room for those few chips and just vacuum that one spot. How about we have Roomba do that instead? You can simply tell Roomba to clean the entire living room or clean right in front of the couch. This is the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, and this allows you to forget about vacuuming for months at a time. If Roomba's bin fills up before the job is complete, Roomba will automatically travel home to the Clean Base, empty its bin, recharge its battery the exact amount if needed, pick up right where it left off, and continue to do this until the floor is clean. The dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during its cleaning missions will be automatically emptied into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days. That means no cloud of dust when you go to empty it. When full, simply open the lid to the Clean Base here, pull this used bag up and out, throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and grab a new bag to replace it with. Slide it on back in the Clean Base, and it's ready to go again. And with imprint link technology, Roomba i7 Plus will vacuum first, then its Prime Day tag team partner, the BravoJet M6, will go and mop right after. The great thing about the iRobot home app powered by iRobot OS is that your Roomba i7 Plus is going to get smarter over time, and you can do all of this on demand, set a repeating schedule, or simply tell your favorite Alexa-enabled device to tell your Roomba i7 Plus to clean wherever you want in your home. Oops, that reminds me. Alexa, can you tell Roomba i7 Plus to clean the kitchen, please?
Okay, I'll tell Roomba to vacuum the kitchen.
So that's a lot of information to digest. Let's recap quickly. Roomba i7 Plus has our imprint smart mapping where you can control when and where you want Roomba to clean your home. With the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, you can forget about vacuuming for months at a time, and Roomba and Brava are going to team up to make the ultimate tag team. If you need any more information on any of our other Prime Day models, please check out our other unboxing videos we have on them as well. Happy Prime Day, and thank you for watching, everyone.